Man, it's all rainy outside. To the normal human, they'd be inside all sad. But if you're a ninja, you're outside with your like shirt off, walking around and shit, drinking wine, smoking a cigarette. Because that's the best thing to do in the rain, Because that's what it's meant for. It's a free bath from Jesus, Just take your free bath, get your soap, It's the best thing to do. For today, that's not what's happening. Oh, damn. It didn't even fucking break. It didn't even break, dude. Oh, nice. Oh, shit. Right in the waters. Oh, damn it. Fucking forgot my drink outside. Looks like I gotta go get this thing. This drink.
You fall.
That'll-
You fall.